Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about acid rain. Number 1. Acid rain is a form of precipitation. Number 2. It contains high levels of sulfuric and nitric acids. Number 3. Acid rain can harm plants, animals and buildings. Number 4. It occurs when pollutants mix with rainwater. Number 5. Factories and cars produce sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Number 6. These pollutants rise into the atmosphere. Number 7. They combine with water vapor to form acids. Number 8. Acid rain affects water quality in lakes and rivers. Number 9. Reducing emissions can help prevent acid rain. Number 10. Using cleaner energy sources can reduce acid rain. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.